Welcome back to another video. So today we're talking about how to wash a horse. The very first thing I do is I'm just going to go ahead and wet him down. We're just going to start with his legs, working up to his body, because you want the legs to be wet first so that the blood can start to cool down. If you're not ready to get wet, don't try to wash your horse. It's always a bath for both of you. Alright, so when we come to his head up here, guys, you see how he's lifting it up like that? You can work with him to ask him to bring his head down, but you don't want to force him. If he's really fighting it, you can get into a lot of trouble with it. So I'm going to ask him to bring his head down. If he does, I'm going to take the water away, okay? So let's just see here. Good boy. That's not too bad. Bring your head down, buddy. Keep it more or less low. That's great, thank you. That's much better. All right guys, so at this point I'm gonna use a horse shampoo. Just shampoo his whole body. It's gonna keep his skin nice and healthy. If you're wondering exactly what this is, it's FOAMCARE. It's my favorite shampoo for horses. You can draw stuff with this too. You can draw stuff like subscribe. So at this point, guys, you're just going to rub in the shampoo that you just put on your horse, okay? Rub it all in. Now, at this point, when you're rinsing him off with the shampoo, you want to actually start to wet his mane and tail, okay? A lot of shampoo, more than a palm full, is great for his tail because it's a lot of hair. All right, now I'll just go ahead and do his mane here as well. Work the shampoo into the mane like this. You can start to see the foam on it, and then you can work it through the tail like this with your fingers a little bit. And this shampoo is already dirty, so that means that it's working really well. You don't want any of that shampoo to stay in the tail, so you want to make sure that you rinse it all out really, really well, really, really thoroughly. Now we'll move to the mane, which I know is on the wrong side for you guys to see, but it's pretty simple. You're just rinsing it out. So at this point, guys, you want to go ahead and put the conditioner in your horse's mane and tail. Okay, so here we go. We're going to just put a good size amount. I use about a handful usually for the tail because it's a lot of hair. So a good way to get the conditioner through the tail is just to pull on the tail like this with both hands, to pull it down, and that conditioner will just follow your fingers and come all the way down to the tip of the tail, okay? I like to leave the tail with a lot of conditioner in it. Make sure it's nice and greasy. Because that's just going to continue to condition the hair and keep it moist and keep it hydrated, so that's really good for the tail. What you're going to do is just work your fingers through the mane with the conditioner, okay? So you're just going to take your hands and kind of massage that conditioner through. So at this point, if you have one of these scrapers for the water, you can go ahead and do that. You can scrape him off. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for washing your horse. After your horse dries, you can go ahead and groom him. Make sure all that hair sits nice and straight as well. But that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.